3.5 years ago, I started Xperie. I've always been a quick learner. I started literally from labouring, doing all the groundworks, and slowly just built up. We're on our way to a client of ours in Bromley. His name is Piratheesh. We're doing a bathroom renovation for him.
Today I've actually got a contractor from Renovating People, Abdul. He's coming in to do the bathroom. He's going to completely retile it, put new vanity units in, completely new bath as well. This is my first home and I just want it to be just right. For me, getting someone in is always difficult. You might not have had past experience with them, but we're going via Renovating People. I was able to look at the reviews and it kind of just clicked. So yeah, this is my first place. I've just bought it. I've done some of the work myself, but I've got to get you guys in to do more of the hard work, especially the bathroom.
I think having a well-established communication and professionalism with the clients is key.
I want different tiles in this area here, yeah.
So probably centre line. And radiator.
Yeah, I want to get one of those nice tall chrome ones.
How about a niche? Because usually a niche kind of brings out the room.
Ooh,
is that something you would like?
That actually sounds pretty good.
The tiling was very difficult due to the different incisors and the fact that he wanted to meet them in the middle, but we managed to get there at the end after hard work.
It's been 2 weeks since Abdul and Xperie have come to the house. I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't seen it since then, but I've just come back from work, so let's go have a look. Abdul, mate, this is looking amazing.
So yeah, if you come in, we start from your niche is complete. As you can see, we built it all the way across. With the grout lines, we made a bit of an effort to make sure that the grout lines all line up.
Yeah, I can see that. That's
yeah.
Very well done. The niche looks amazing, even better actually than what I expected. The entire bathroom looks amazing. There's so much more room than there was before. I'm really happy. I was really pleased to use Rated People. They had the reviews of the builders on there. Builders came to you. I'll be bringing Abdul in for the next job. 5 out of 5.